Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to change this transmission shaft speed for the torque converter. We're going to change the speed sensor for that. If your car is a 2015 Accord, or if your Accord look like this, it's going to be the same procedure no matter if it's 2016 or whatever the case may be. But if you have a CVT transmission, it's going to be underneath the car. If you have a regular transmission, it's going to be somewhere right here. This one right here is a CVT transmission. So with that said, let's get to it. First, we got to jack up the car. We have the jack right here at our jack point. We're going to go ahead and jack the vehicle up. So the customer went to AutoZone. This is what they got. That's the code. So yeah, that's what we're gonna change. So if you have this code, that's what it is. We have our jack, and we have our jack stand underneath the car. Safety first. Alright guys, so let's get underneath the car. What we're gonna do is take out these clips that we have right here. Alright, we have a clip down. There's one more clip holding it somewhere right there, but we should be able to work on it. Alright, so we have all the clip down. We're gonna look for it right now. So guys, it's actually right down there. I have this wrench on it right here. I don't know why the service said to get it from underneath the car, when clearly you have enough room to get it from here instead of taking down all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about with the service manual, or the service service manual that said to get it from underneath the car, but we can get it from here, so we're gonna take it from here.
Alright guys, so this is the diagnostic steps they gotta take. As you can see, there you go. So you can pause the video and go through all this if you want. So, yep. Alright, and then we're gonna go here to replace the sensor right here. I'm gonna show you what tell me to go underneath the car. Alright, so that is the code. That is the diagnostic step, I should say. I'm gonna see the removal. So it said to raise the vehicle, remove the lower engine cover, guys. And that's where the part is. And as you saw that I got it from the top, so yep, that's the torque spec. So that's it. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel.
Alright, it's 10 millimeter. socket. Alright, I got the 10mm out. Get the pliers in there to hold it, because apparently I don't have enough strength. So I don't know if because this had an accident in the front, maybe it had more stuff here that's gone. So I don't know why the service manual would tell me to go underneath the car when I can work my way in from here. It's actually more easy to do it from here than underneath. So whatever you choose, I'm gonna put the step-by-step in the car in the video so you can see it if you want to take the service manual route. Anyway, this is the parts. That's the part number right there. This is what it looked like, locked into it like that. So now I'm just trying to wiggle it and pull it out. So guys, right here, this is it. It keep on breaking when I was trying to take it out, so I ended up have to get a pliers, hold it from here, twist it, pull it back. So I don't know why they told me to do it from underneath, but you can get it from above, so you don't have to go through that route. Alright, we have the other one installed. The customer pull up on me. Alright guys, so it's in. Double check your work, make sure it's all plugged in. Alright, so it's in and it's plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and test drive the car, make sure it's good. They already cleared the code, guys, so there's not much I can do there because she took it to another mechanic before me. They cleared the code, they just didn't know where the part was to change it, so I know where the part is, so I changed it. This have nothing to do with me. I told her she need to get that fixed, but we only can just say what we can say. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put by the clips underneath the bottom. You really don't need to do the clips underneath there, so yep.